I somehow filmed most of this video in slow-mo, and I don't know where the slow-mo button is on this camera, and I keep forgetting to look it up. So I'm pretty sure I lost a lot of that footage.
Since past Chris is irresponsible and doesn't pay attention to the camera, I'm going to take you through this entire video, and I'm going to be your best friend for the day. We're starting off at the fair. I work at fairs and events. I draw caricatures. At this particular fair was right on the beach in Rhode Island, and I was drawing with my buddy. I didn't get a whole lot of video because I was, busy and stuff, but it was a lot of fun. I love working with him. The coolest thing was, you know what? Look at this. Not only was there this crazy wrestling match just like right next to me, there was also a beautiful sunset, and you know me, I'm just a sucker for a good sunset. I knew of a really cool spot because I used to go to this beach actually a lot as a kid, so I knew this jetty down the way, and I wanted to paint it. Just look how stupid I am talking to the camera for a good 15 minutes thinking that everything I'm saying is totally usable in the video. This was actually the last page in my sketchbook, so kind of a bittersweet moment. If you've ever finished a sketchbook, you know the amazing feeling of finishing it, but you also know how, I guess, sad to see it be done. But it's the next chapter of your life, so it's always fun. Very happy with how it came out. It was a fun, quick one. I was probably there for an hour, maybe, hour and a half. And then we leave Rhode Island, and then a few weeks later, or a few days later, I don't even know, we go back to Eastern Connecticut and we paint this bridge. It started off with me finding the meadow and being super excited because it was so pretty, and then quickly turning around because I think I literally had 14 ticks on me and I was swatting them off. So I got out of there quickly. And I went back to, the side of the road where the bridge was, and I painted that.
The universe is against me. And when I say that, I mean, I make dumb decisions. So, I'm covered in poison ivy, and that was my own fault. I got lost in a meadow because I was so happy to be in a pretty meadow with a bunch of birds and everything, but then I got covered in ticks. I somehow filmed most of this video in slow-mo, and I don't know where the slow-mo button is on this camera, and I keep forgetting to look it up. So I'm pretty sure I lost a lot of that footage. And the only thing that's not my fault is yesterday was 90 degrees and now it's 50 and kind of rainy and very windy. Nothing went my way. Oh, and I also forgot my sketchbook. I'm using a sketchbook I never wanted to take outside. But, I'm here and everything. So I'm just going to do a very loose painting. I'm going to see how I can paint loosely, I guess. I don't know. I'm just going to forget about the world for a minute. I'm defeated. The tricky thing for me is when I'm painting outside, I just get so overwhelmed with everything. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to stop. But then I know if I took this and painted this at home, it's a different artist that would paint it, it'd be a completely different artist. So I don't know what it is when I'm out here and I just can't focus. My color palette is a mess and I just get overwhelmed. Maybe it's presenting and worrying about I don't even know, worrying about making this look good for a video, I guess. I'm not sure, but it's hard, man. I just get overwhelmed so easy. But also, I think I've been forcing myself to paint. I don't think I've been like relaxing. I'm doing this because I feel like I need to and not because I want to. Which is probably a sign for me to stop and, you know, focus and all that. But we're probably not going to stop because we never learn. We're just going to keep painting and working this until it's kind of salvageable, I guess. I don't know. You tell me.
That's about it. You know, I learned a lot. I learned don't film on slo-mo. I learned bring all your stuff, have enough time, be comfortable, don't walk in a meadow with a bunch of ticks, and really enjoy painting. I love just going out there and just submersing myself in this environment and just, I don't know, just being one with it, as cliche and tacky that sounds, but like, I think the adventure of it is what I like more than the actual painting. I love the story of being there and just the moment. That's, you know, where I find my peace. If you like this video, please check out other stuff that's probably on the screen somewhere, and I'll see you next time.